Good morning. My name is Earl Lewis, Deputy Secretary at the Maryland Department of Transportation. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Engineers Week. It's a time to celebrate everything that engineers do to contribute to organizations across the country. We make things happen. Well, actually, my first interest when I was in junior high school that was related to engineering was astronomy. Then, as I got older and got into high school, I learned that where you apply science is really engineering. Whether it's a mechanical engineer like myself, or an electrical or civil like a lot of engineers who work here at MDOT, it really takes science and applies it to the real world to make our lives better. Actually, across the entire MDOT organization, engineers make a big difference. Whether you need to be a PE for certain work, which is a professional engineer that's required to sign off on design drawings, whether you're at MPA, MTA, State Highway Administration, or Maryland Transportation Authority, and beyond, whether you're out overseeing work in the field to make sure that things are being installed as they were drawn to be installed. But a lot of what has to do with engineering is the things that you don't anticipate. So you're out there and the drawings say one thing, but the physical world you're dealing with says you something else. And you have to figure out, how am I going to reorient how we're going to get this project done. My main duties here is overseeing several offices here at the Secretary's office at MDOT headquarters in Hanover. Those offices relate to planning, capital programming, human resources, Office of Transportation Technology Services, Office of Environment. Many of those offices require an understanding, if not a direct application, of engineering on a day-to-day basis. The advice I give to an aspiring engineer is be open-minded. It could surprise you what you'll learn. I really am proud that I've been with the state, with the MDOT for nearly 18 years in May. The time really flies by. I've probably had at least a half a dozen different jobs in those 18 years, and I can't say I regret having the opportunity to work in any of them.